A very good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about very important and interesting lesson, that is Wodeyars of Mysore. Wodeyars means royal family and it is a dynasty. And Mysuru is one of the administrative division of Karnataka, and Mysore is also called cultural capital of Karnataka. When we talk about Mysore, we remember many things, isn't it? First very important one is Dasara festival, and it was started from the rule of Mysore Wodeyars only. And we can see many places in Mysore like Chamundi Hills, Mysore Palace, Brindavan Garden, and there are so many scenic spots. And Mysore was called as Mahishanadu before. So what was Mysore called before? Mysore was called as Mahishanadu before. How the name Mysore came into being? According to the mythological or ancient stories, Goddess Parvati killed Mahishasura in the form of Chamundeshwari. The place where Mahisha killed became Mysuru. Like that, Mysore got the name by killing Mahishasura. During the reign of Vijayanagara kings, Wodeyars were ruled under the control of Vijayanagara kings. But after the decline of Vijayanagara kings, the Wodeyars became independent rulers in Mysore and continued the traditions and practices of Vijayanagara kings. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the important Wodeyars of Mysore. So, Devaraya was the first king of Mysore Wodeyars. So, who was the first king of Mysore Wodeyars, children? Devaraya was the first king of Mysore Wodeyars. And he ruled from 1399 to 1423 CE. How long did he rule? He ruled from 1399 to 1423 CE. And Ganda Berunda was the emblem of the state. So, which is the emblem of the state? Ganda Berunda. Ganda Berunda means it is a two-headed god and it is official emblem of our state, Karnataka. Srirangapatna was their capital. So, which was the capital? Which was the first capital of Mysore Wodeyars? Srirangapatna was the first capital of Mysore Wodeyars. Emblem means it is a symbol of our state. Now let us study about the achievements of Chika Devaraya. Chika Devaraya is a prominent king of early kings, and he ruled from 1673 to 1704 CE. Chika Devaraya implemented many programs or pro-people measures, and he opened, Chika Devaraya opened Atara Kacheri. Atara means 18, Kacheri means department. Atara Kacheri with 18 departments. Chika Devaraya built a dam across the river Kaveri. Who built dam across river Kaveri? Chika Devaraya built a dam across river Kaveri near Srirangapatna and provided irrigation facility. Chika Devaraya introduced administration and enriched the treasury and was conferred with the Navakoti Narayana title. Mysore state was prosperous during the reign of Chika Devaraya. So, it was very prosperous. So, for these achievements, for what? For the achievements of Chika Devaraya, he got the title Navakoti Narayana. Later, kings, but after the reign of Chika Devaraya, the later kings were very weak. The administration was overseen by Dalawais who ruled in the name of kings. Next is Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan. So first let us study about Hyder Ali. Hyder Ali was an eminent commander in Dalawai Nanjarajaya's army. So he was an eminent commander in Dalawai Nanjarajaya's army, and he ruled between 1761 to 1782 CE. He was a brave and adventurous. Who was brave and adventurous? Hyder Ali was brave and adventurous and won. Hyder Ali won many battles and accumulated army and wealth. He collected many army as well as wealth. And this made him gain respect from the king. As he accumulated army and wealth, it made him to gain more respect from the king. When there was a revolt in the capital city, it was against the capital city, Hyder Ali suppressed, failed it, and restored the kingship of Krishna Raja Wodeyar, and removed the Dalawai and took over the administration. What he did? He restored the kingship of Krishna Raja Wodeyar and removed Dalawai and took over the administration. Soon after taking over the administration, Hyder Ali engaged in extending borders of the state. How he was engaged? In extending the borders of the state, and he defeated the Keladi rulers and confiscated their wealth and improved their financial status, and also took over Chitradurga fort with a lot of difficulty. So he took over Chitradurga fort with much difficulty. Now, how the battles took place with the British? British came for business. As you know, Britishers came to India for business and slowly became powerful in politics. The British did not tolerate the expansion of Mysore kingdom in the south by Hyder Ali. So, the Britishers was not able to tolerate the expansion of the kingdom in Mysore in the south by Hyder Ali, and this led an inevitable clash between Hyder Ali and British. Due to this, what happened? There was a clash between Hyder Ali as well as the British. So, the 4 battles waged by Hyder Ali and later by his son Tippu Sultan against the British are called Anglo-Mysore Wars of Mysore Wars. So, what is called as Anglo-Mysore Wars or Mysore Wars? The 4 battles waged by whom? By Hyder Ali and later by his son Tippu Sultan. Against whom? Against the British, are called as Anglo-Mysore Wars or Mysuru Wars. In the First Anglo-Mysore War, the British suffered considerable loss. What happened? In the First Anglo-Mysore War, the British suffered a lot of loss, considerable loss. Hence, they gained to sign Madras Treaty with Hyder Ali inevitably. So, they had to sign the Madras Treaty with whom? With Hyder Ali. As per the treaty, both the parties rushed to each other's. What happened? As per the treaty, which treaty? Madras Treaty, both the parties rushed to each other, rescue if attacked by any enemy. And this elevated the status of Hyder Ali. So, what happened? This elevated the status. A few years later, Marathas attacked Mysore kingdom, and later Britishers did not come to the aid of Hyder Ali and remained neutral. This engaged Hyder Ali and he invaded British, and this is the Second Anglo-Mysore War. Hyder Ali died while fighting this war. In Second Anglo-Mysore War, what happened? Hyder Ali died while fighting. The battle was continued by whom? By his son Tippu Sultan. What are the achievements of Hyder Ali? Hyder Ali was aware of contemporary politics. He was aware. Hyder Ali was aware of the politics. Though he was an illiterate, he knew many languages including Kannada. So, he extended the kingdom of Mysore, and he was a brave soldier and an efficient administrator. Even though he was not able to read and write, he had known many languages including Kannada, and he extended the kingdom he was very brave. So, as he was a brave soldier and an efficient administrator, Hyder Ali has an important place in the annals of Karnataka history. So Hyder Ali, because of his achievements, he had gained an important place in Karnataka history. He established the beautiful Lalbagh garden in Bangalore. So who established beautiful garden Lalbagh in a garden in Bangalore? Hyder Ali established beautiful Lalbagh garden in Bengaluru. So these are the achievements of Hyder Ali. So in the next class or in the next video, we shall study about Tipu Sultan. Hope you have understood and you have followed the lesson. Children, thank you.